Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and tonight's video is how to select items that are like vector cutouts if you do not have treat items as field selected. Now, if we wanted to get all the stars, all we'd have to do is hold down the Shift key and get all our stars. And it says right there 4 objects on layer 1. Now, if you didn't have, or for some reason you don't like all selected as field customization, and if you've got that turned off, pick your pick tool, and right there you could turn that treat all objects as field off. So now you can't click on that star, you have to click on the line. So instead of trying, I don't know why you would really want that, but evidently it's there for a reason. So instead of, you had a lot of stars and they're real small and you had to pick them, this would be easy if you just had to pick the center. But you could also pick them if you go to Windows, Dockers, Object Manager, and there's our layer 1 of all our stars. Well, we can hold down the Shift key and select all the stars in our Object Manager. And then if you wanted to delete them, you could hit delete and they'd all be gone. But to turn on that back on, customization, under Toolbox, under Pick Tool, treat all objects as field. That's the way I keep it. That way you can just click on an item and you don't have to be in the center of the item, or don't have to be on the edge of that hairline to pick it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.